Are code recommendations from generic AI code assistants commonly insecure? And if they are, just how bad is it? Well, lucky for both of us, there's no shortage of research on the topic. Spoiler alert, the findings, they're not great for GitHub Copilot. First up, check out this study, Asleep at the Keyboard, Assessing the Security of GitHub Copilot's Code Contributions. I mean, you gotta love that title, right? Here's the deal. Researchers put Copilot to the test across 3 key areas: diversity of prompts, weaknesses, and domains. They tested 89 different scenarios and cranked out a whopping 1,689 programs. The results? 40% of Copilot-generated code had security vulnerabilities. Yup, 40%. Nearly half of what it generated had vulnerabilities. That is not ideal. So why does this happen? 3 big reasons. The first is the way large language models work. These models generate the most likely completion for a given prompt based on their training data, not necessarily the best or most secure code. And they don't know what you think good code looks like anyways. And LLMs are trained to prioritize functional correctness. So they're optimized to produce code that compiles or passes a unit test, but what works in isolation isn't enough for the enterprise. Your code needs to fit seamlessly into your broader application, and more importantly, it needs to be secure. The third reason this happens is context limitations. LLMs and the generic AI code assistants you'll find out there on the market don't have a sophisticated context engine, and thus aren't designed to understand the full picture of your code base, and they don't know your organization's security standards. And that's where Tabnine is different. Unlike generic AI code assistants, Tabnine's AI software development platform gives you access to contextually aware AI agents that operate with a comprehensive understanding of your organization's unique development standards, enforcing adherence to them for both code generation and validation by leveraging context gleaned through integrations into the complex set of technology that constitute enterprise engineering environments. Tabnine is AI tailored to the needs of mature enterprise engineering teams that adheres to your definition of good, secure code.